I'm going to show you how to use the Earthbound singing bowl. Obviously, all singing bowls are essentially the same, but I'm just emphasizing that this one is from Earthbound because that's where you can get yours. It doesn't come with this flower. I just love displaying it like that. I love it as like a centerpiece for my table, and when friends come over, it's like a conversation piece, and then you teach them how to do it, and then it's like really fun to do together, and you get to teach someone how to use a singing bowl. Sorry, it's raining. It's about to rain and my dog's scared of the thunder. Anyways, so yeah, if you sign up for the Earthbound trading email list, you could get a 30% off coupon. They'll send it to you within like a few weeks usually, or they just have sales all the time. So I ended up paying like 50 bucks for mine, which is actually a pretty decent deal for this size bowl. Check out my channel. I post videos every week on tutorials, DIYs, natural living, inspiration, and a few other things. Well,